Current mode. Follow.
Can you believe that this tracking drone fits in my pocket? This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max, and after testing it out over the last few days, I can definitely see why it's getting so much attention. Now, I want to be clear right from the start. This isn't your typical drone review. I'm not going to spend the next 8 minutes talking about every technical spec. Instead, I just want to show you how I've actually been using it and whether it's something that's useful in the real world. So let's check it out. Now, one of the first things I noticed is just how small this thing is. When it's folded up, it easily fits into a pocket, a backpack, or a glove box. It weighs just under 250 grams, so it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry around. The design is also different from most drones because the propellers are completely enclosed. That makes it feel much more safer around people and a lot less intimidating than traditional drones. And the best part is how quickly you can get it up in the air. You simply unfold it, choose a mode, launch it from your hand, and you're ready to start filming. There's no complicated setup process or no need to be an expert pilot. For me, that's really what makes this product stand out.
Follow.
Now, let's talk about what I think is the coolest feature, the tracking. One of the reasons I wanted to test this drone was to see how well it could follow moving subjects. So I took it out while my kids were riding their bikes and let HOVERAir do its thing. This is follow mode, and honestly, it worked surprisingly well. The drone automatically tracks the subject and keeps them centered in the frame while they're moving. Instead of trying to manually fly and record at the same time, the drone handles tracking for you. That's a huge advantage if you're riding a bike, hiking, running, or doing any activity where you don't want to worry about controlling a drone. And what's nice is that the footage looks natural. It doesn't look like someone is struggling to fly a drone while chasing a moving subject. For content creators, families, and outdoor enthusiasts, this feature alone makes the HOVERAir really useful.
Ski mode.
Ski mode.
Cycling mode.
Cycling mode.
Indoor follow.
Indoor follow.
360 degrees spin.
360 degree spin.
Hover.
Hover.
Zoom out.
Zoom out.
Follow.
Follow.
Orbit.
Orbit.
Spiral.
Spiral.
Bird's eye.
Bird's eye.
Dolly track.
Dolly track. And there's all different settings in each one too. So for instance, zoom out, you could have 100 feet, and then you could change the settings to 50 feet, 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet, 5 feet. So I'm gonna set mine to 100 feet. You have flat, and then you can also change it to high, low. So in each mode, there's its own individual settings, which is really nice and convenient.
Orbit.
Now, another filming style I tested was orbit mode. This is one of those shots that instantly makes your footage look more professional. The drone automatically circles around the subject while keeping them locked in frame. Normally, pulling off a shot like this would require some flying experience. But here, it's mostly automated. You simply
Orbit.
Choose the mode and let the drone do the work. Whether you're filming yourself, your family, or creating travel content, orbit mode can add really cinematic look to your videos. The third way that I've been using HOVERAir is with manual control through the smartphone app. Even though HOVERAir offers additional accessories like the beacon controller, I wanted to keep things simple and just use the phone app for this review. The app allows you to manually position the drone and capture footage from all angles that aren't possible with a traditional camera. This is great for getting scenic shots, establishing shots, or unique perspectives that would normally require another person behind the camera. Of course, all this footage is being captured with the X1 Pro Max camera system. The HOVERAir app is actually pretty straightforward to use. From the app, you can view all of your footage in the album, quickly change flight modes and settings, manually control the drone, and even connect with other HOVERAir users through the community section, where people share videos and ideas. One of the headline features is the ability to record in 8K resolution. Now, not everyone is watching videos 8K, but having that extra resolution gives you more flexibility when editing. You can crop in, reframe your shots, and still maintain excellent image quality. The footage looks sharp, detailed, and vibrant, especially outdoors in good lighting conditions. Whether you're filming family adventures, bike rides, hikes, vacations, or YouTube content, the camera delivers really impressive results for something this small. It's on a gimbal as well, so it spins in every direction. Another thing I really appreciate is that the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max doesn't feel like a complicated piece of equipment. A lot of drones have a learning curve. You need controllers, settings, calibration, and flying experience. This feels more like a flying camera. You just pull it out of your pocket, launch it, pick a mode, start recording. That's really the appeal. It's designed for people who want great footage without turning every outage into a drone operation. So who do I think this is for? If you're a content creator looking for unique camera angles, this is a great option. If you're a parent who wants to capture family activities without asking someone else to film, it's incredibly useful. If you're into biking, hiking, running, traveling, or outdoor adventures, the tracking features make a lot of sense. And if you've always wanted a drone but didn't want to deal with a complicated setup, this might be one of the easiest ways to get started. Overall, I've really enjoyed using the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. My favorite feature is definitely the tracking. Watching it automatically follow my kids while they were riding their bikes was honestly pretty impressive. The fact that it folds small enough to fit in my pocket and then launches from my hand, captures high quality footage, makes it a really unique product. If you'd like to learn more about the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max, I'll put the links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I also really like that it comes with everything you need. It comes with a very nice travel case, leather, really solid, very nice. You could fit everything in there. Comes with all the extra USB Type-C cords, the charging cables, the adapter for a Lightning or a USB Type-C type phone, the charging block for the batteries. Now mine came with 2 batteries. You can see the status, very nice. Chargeable by USB Type-C. It comes with the charging block and the drone itself, which is foldable. Overall, this is a great product, very durable, very lightweight, easy to use. Definitely go check out the link in the description below.